Alice, anong tunay na pangalan ni Mayor Kalugay?
Ang alam ko po, Mayor Dong Kalugay po.
Yung first name, yung real name niya.
Ano ba rin?
Uy.
Alam ko po Dong Kalugay po talaga.
Yung totoong pangalan ni Dong Kalugay. Tatanong ka po, kunwari ka pa, alam mo naman.
Ang alam ko po talaga Dong Kalugay po.
Hanggang pati ba naman sa pangalan ng boyfriend mo, aware ka ba dito sa isang farm? Ang pangalan, Alicel Aqua Farm. Kasi if you coin the name Alicel, Ali stands for Alice and Cel stands for Liceldo. Di ba? Okay ba? Ha? Tama? Baka nagkataon lang. Ha? Ano? Are you aware of that? Pero yung pangalan, alam mo? Aware ka?
Yung pangalan, hindi ko na po maalala, Sen.
Uy. Nakinoy yung dalawang pangalan ninyo. Alice tsaka Liceldo. Saan located to? Saan ang lokasyon?
Dapat po mag-umpisa po sa Sual, pero hindi po siya
see?
natuloy.
Kaya nga, sa Sual pa rin.
Opo, pero hindi po siya natuloy.
Ha?
Hindi po siya natuloy.
Bakit ba ginigit mo sa amin na hindi natuloy? At tinatanong ko lang, sino nag-coin ng pangalan?
Tignan niyo po, wala naman po.
Uy, hindi mo alam kung sino nag-coin ng pangalan?
Wala
Diba,
naman
very
po.
obvious naman. Alicel. Alice, A-L-I, tapos Cel, Liceldo. Oh. Oh, di ba? Ano? Ayaw po rin mamin na malalim ang pagkakaibigan ninyo. At itong pagkakaibigan ninyo, ito yung ito yung tumutulong sa'yo sa lahat ng mga aktibidades mo. Just interject,
Okay,
Madam
salamat,
Chair.
Miss Alice. Yes, Sen.
Alice,
SP Pro
bakit
Tem.
pinili mo ang bansang Indonesia?
Actually, after, hindi naman po yan po yung unang pinuntahan po namin, Sen.
Ano yung unang pinuntahan niyo?
Opo.
Malaysia?
Opo.
And then,
Indonesia naman po, nung last part na, sabi ka po maganda.
sino nagsabing maganda?
Sabi po nung brother ko po.
Kaya ka pumayag na pumunta sa Indonesia? Alright.
You have the floor, unless
Thank you,
the SP
Madam
Pro
Chair.
Tem will allow Sendoroy to interject. But you have the floor now,
Yes.
SP Pro Tem.
Madam Alice, anong tunay na pangalan ni Mayor Kalugay?
Ang alam ko po, Mayor Dong Kalugay po.
Yung first name, yung real name niya.
Ano ba rin?
Uy.
Alam ko po Dong Kalugay po talaga.
Yung real name nga niya.
Opo.
Magkaibigan ko yun, di mo alam yung tunay na pangalan niya. Dong lang ang alam mo. Hindi, tinatanong ko yung the real name. Oh. Sagot. Yung totoong pangalan ni Dong Kalugay. Tatanong ka po, kunwari ka pa, alam mo naman.
Ang alam ko po talaga Dong Kalugay po.
Hanggang pati ba naman sa pangalan ng boyfriend mo, nagsisinungaling ka pa
Kasi
rin.
hindi ko po talaga siya boyfriend.
Well, whatever. O yung malapit na kaibigan mo, hindi mo pa rin alam ang first name, yung real name
Ang
niya.
alam ko po Dong Kalugay po.
Aware ka na Liceldo pangalan niya.
Alicel. Ay, opo, opo.
Oo,
Liceldo.
artista ka nga, no? Mas magaling ka pumarte sa amin ni Bong Revilla. Anyway, aware ka ba dito sa isang farm? Ang pangalan, Alicel Aqua Farm.
Alam ko po hindi po alam hindi po siya existed po.
Hindi siya.
Walang pong ganun farm po na natuloy po.
SP Pro Tem, pwede natin ipakita yung
Sige.
business permit na
Yeah.
ibinigay kay Ms. Sheila Guo para sa isang aqua farm na sinasabi nyo.
Okay. Kasi if you coin the name Alicel, Ali stands for Alice and Cel stands for Liceldo. Di ba? Okay ba? Ha? Tama? Baka nagkataon lang. Ha? Ano? Are you aware of that? Hindi ba kayo ang owner ni Alice Goo and Liceldo Katugay?
Anong business po, Sen? Aqua farm po. Wala pa akong aqua farm po doon sa place po nila.
Pwede ka, no? Comsec, palabas mo na yung business permit. Saan nakalocate yung Alicel Aqua Farm? Yung farm ninyong dalawa?
Sen, di po siya natuloy. Wala po natuloy na aqua farm po.
Wala natuloy?
Wala po natuloy.
Pero yung pangalan, alam mo? Aware ka?
Yung pangalan, hindi ko na po maalala, Sen.
Boy. Nakinoy yung dalawang pangalan ninyo. Alice tsaka Liceldo.
Hindi ko na po maalala, Sen.
Talaga? Ang dami mong di maalala. O yan. Tignan mo. Ano nga. Malabo yung mata ko. Yan. Ang may-ari niyan sa DTI pala. Sheila Go. But I heard that Sheila Go denied owning this piece of property or farm.
Hindi po siya
Madam Chair,
natuloy.
if I may, Madam Chair, if I
Yes,
recall it right,
Sen.
Madam Chair,
Joel.
for the information of the body, I don't think Sheila Go denied it. She was just saying, Madam Chair, na she doesn't know anything about it
Okay.
because, and I quote, Madam Chair, and the records will bail me out, she was asked by Gua Huaping, aka Alice Go, to sign these documents, Madam Chair. She was asked by Alice Go to sign these documents. And so, siya yung nagpapirma kay Sheila Go ng mga dokumento dito sa Alicel Aqua Farm. Madam Chair.
Based on the
right,
statements
SP Pro
of
Tem.
Senator Joel, do you confirm it na ikaw nagpapirma kay Sheila Go nitong dokumentong ito?
Your Honor,
Hindi mo malala.
honestly, may ganun proposal pero hindi ko na rin maalala na natuloy.
Hindi mo na kasi
Pero yung farm pa, wala po natuloy
dito
yung
sa
farm.
hearing ng last hearing ng committee ni Senator Risa, sinabi ni Senator Joel na sinabi ni Sheila Go na ikaw nagpapirma nitong particular na dokumentong ito. So you know that this is existing.
Sen, ano po siya? Siguro dun sa application po. Pero yan
Yes.
po parang DTI certification na po siya.
Is it true that you asked Sheila Go to sign this document to make it appear that she owns this farm?
Sen, ano po siya? Kung di po ako nagkakamali, certification na po siya. Doon po siguro sa
DTI.
registration po.
Ano ba ito? Single proprietor? Huh? Kasi DTI lang to eh.
Pero walang pong ganun na existing
Okay.
na farm.
So sabihin mo, sinabi mo hindi natuloy itong nasimulan yung establish itong Alicel Aqua Farm. Sa inyo dapat ito ni Mayor Calugay, no? Ano ba ito? Magiging bangus farm ba ito?
Hindi, ano lang po yung proposal lang po.
Kaya anong klaseng proposal?
Proposal na gusto kong mag-farming. Pero hindi naman po kasali dyan si Mayor Calugay.
Gaano kalaki to?
Mag-uumpisa po sana kami sa 2 cage po dapat.
Cage?
Opo.
So, kaya nga, gaano nga kalaki? Itong farm na ito?
Hindi po siya natuloy, kaya...
Oo nga,
wala po.
gaano nga kalaki? Siyempre, alam mo, kahit hindi natuloy, alam mo kung gaano kalaki.
Mag-uumpisa po dapat.
Ha?
Mag-uumpisa po dapat sa inyo.
Saan located to? Saan ang lokasyon?
Dapat po mag-uumpisa po sa Sual, pero hindi po siya
see?
natuloy.
Kaya nga, sa SOAL pa rin.
Opo, pero hindi po siya natuloy.
Ha?
Hindi po siya natuloy.
Bakit ba ginigit mo sa amin na hindi natuloy? At tinatanong ko lang, sino nag-coin ng pangalan?
Tignan niyo po, wala naman po.
Uy, hindi mo alam kung sino nag-coin ng pangalan? Wala kang participation sa pangalan ng ano?
Wala naman
Ng farm?
po. Wala naman po.
Ha?
Wala
Diba,
naman
very
po.
obvious naman. Alicel. Alice, A-L-I, tapos Cel, Liceldo. Oh. Oh, di ba? Ano? Ayaw po rin mamin na malalim ang pagkakaibigan ninyo. At itong pagkakaibigan ninyo, ito yung ito yung tumutulong sa'yo sa lahat ng mga aktibidades mo.
Sa hindi naman po, wala naman po siyang tinutulong po
Anyway,
sa akin.
Alice, we'll find it out if when Mayor Kalugay appears in the next hearing. Okay, if I may continue, Madam Chair, I'd like to ask questions to the former Mayor of Bamban, Mayor Feliciano.
Mayor Feliciano? Yes, sir.
Inibitahan yata kayo last hearing, di kayo nakapunta? Is it true?
Yes, Your Honor, Senator
Bakit?
Chair. Yeah, there was a previous commitment. The problem was the message came in only that Friday, late afternoon. And
Alright.
the hearing was on a Monday.
It's good that you acceded to the invitation of this committee to appear today.
Yes, sir, no problem, sir.
All right. Gaano ka katagal naging mayor ng Bamban?
I was a mayor of Banban since 2013.
No, when did you start your political career in Bamban?
I ran 2010. I lost. And then,
That was the first time,
yeah,
2010?
that was the first time.
All right. For
And then-
mayor right away?
Yes, sir, for mayor.
And then?
And then I got re-elected. I ran again 2013.
You won?
And then I won.
Okay.
And then I won for the next succeeding 2 terms again. So nag-graduate po ako up to 2022.
2022.
Yes,
So, you completed your 3 terms
Yes, Your Honor.
as mayor of Bamban.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Why did you endorse the candidacy of Alice Go for mayor to replace you? Because I gathered information that there was a barangay captain who was supposedly going to run for mayor. And at nag-usap na raw kayo na siya yung next mayor na endorse nyo. And all of a sudden, you endorsed the candidacy of Alice Go. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
There was a barangay captain who
Yes,
wanted
sir.
to run for mayor, but
Yes, sir.
unfortunately, he did not get your endorsement, and instead, you endorsed the candidacy of Alice Go.
Yes, sir. That's right.
Yes. Why is that so?
To make the long story short, yung barangay captain na yon, he was supposed to be my predecessor.
Yes.
But the problem was...
Predecessor or successor?
Ay, successor pala, sorry. Successor. But the problem was, during my last term, I decided to run for congressman for the 3rd District.
Did you run for congressman?
Yes, I ran for congressman.
Unfortunately, you lost.
Unfortunately, I lost.
Who was your opponent then?
Kong Bong Rivera.
All right. Okay.
And
Material.
then, during the time that I was campaigning, he insisted that I don't run for congressman because I already endorsed Congressman Noel Rivera to him. So, ang nangyari doon, hindi ka pwede tumakbo kasi in-endorse mo na si Congressman Noel, hindi ko siya pwedeng iwanan. So sabi ko, that's not a problem with me. Kahit na ang mayor ko, ikaw, walang problema, dalawa yung congressman mo. But he insisted na hindi pwede, so siniraan nila ako. So on late notice,
No, was that during the campaign period already?
No, prior to that.
Prior to that.
prior to that,
Wala pang filing ng COC.
wala pa po. This
Okay.
was after already the pandemic.
Okay.
So when I decided to run for congressman, sabi niya, hindi pwede. Kailangan ako lang ang tatakbo, suportahan mo ko.
Sabi ng barangay captain.
Yes.
Okay.
So on my part, since wala po akong running mate on my town, I decided I had to have a running mate of myself. And considering the fact that Banban is only small,
What is your population in Bamban?
Our population is around 80,000 and voting is around 40,000.
By rule of thumb, kalahati.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so after that, I needed somebody on my side. So ang nangyari doon, me as a former local chief executive, we local chief executive should be economic managers. Small investment, small capital, big dividend. So in my town, when I took it over,
Okay. Sige. Paano mo nakilala to si Alice Go?
since she was fig farmer,
Since you was a?
pig farmer.
Uh-huh.
Meron sila pong pig farm sa Bamban.
Okay.
So on my second term, pumupunta na po siya sa opisina.
Okay.
So she was the one handling the
On your
detail.
second term, did she express interest that she wanted to enter politics?
No, nothing.
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all.
Wala kang inkling na gusto niyang
Wala.
maging mayor.
Wala po.
So ano talaga siya noon?
She was just an ordinary person that's coming into my office kana kumukuha ng mga permits.
So when did you first meet her?
Siguro 2016?
When she went to your office or when you went to her farm?
No, pumunta po sila sa office.
Sino sila?
Si Mayor Alice and the group of hog farmers po sa Bamban.
Okay, and then what did you talk about?
Yun nga, the problem with the business in the pig industry, since ang Bamban po is mostly an agricultural town, so there were certain things na kailangan i-address, yung foul smell, that's why Bamban is not progressing because of the foul smell in the area. And of course, since we need to increase the income of the town, I was lobbying for them to help us out. So that was the only time na nagkilala po kami, Your Honor.
Okay, sa pagkakaalala ninyo, kailan nag-apply ang Baufulad ng permit sa Bamban?
Baufulad started out for the reclassification of the land for lease rentals po. This was March 8, 2019.
March 8,
Opo.
2019?
Yeah.
You were still the mayor then?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sino ang nag-facilitate? Sino ang humingi ng pumunta sa opisina mo para kumuha ng permit ng Baufulad?
Si Miss Alice Go.
Siya mismo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Itong si Zun Yuan at Hong Sheng Gaming Corporation, kailan po sila nag-apply ng business permit sa'yo?
Ang dinaanan ko lang po dyan was Hong Sheng.
Hong Sheng.
Yes,
Sino
sir.
in behalf of Hong Sheng, sino nagpunta sa'yo?
Sa Hong Sheng po, siya po yung nag-request din sa amin ng...
Si Alice Go.
Siya po.
Sa tingin mo, anong participation niya sa Baufulad tsaka dito sa Hong Sheng Gaming?
She was just an investor in my town that she bought the land and then she had investors under her arm to put in money in the town para patayo po yung mga buildings for lease rental po ng real estate property.
May idea po ba kayo kung anong klaseng operasyon ang ginagawa niyo sa loob ng Baufo compound sa Bamban Tarlac?
Ay, wala po.
Kayong nakuupong mayor?
When I was mayor already, but just they got the loan from us and then
No, excuse me?
letter of no objection.
Yeah. Who provided that loan? No?
What do you mean, sir?
Sino nag-issue ng loan? No?
The Sangguniang Bayan po.
During your time?
During
so
my time.
you approved it?
No, hindi po ako. There was the Sangguniang Bayan approved the letter of no objection. This
Yes,
is the
but of
resolution.
course, when they approve it, the mayor will also sign.
I didn't sign the document, Your Honor. The document is signed by the SB Secretary and the Vice Mayor.
But you were, as mayor, aware ka dun.
Yeah, I was aware, but I wasn't part of that document. I am part already of the building permits and the other things with regards outside of that reclassification, Your Honor.
You mean to say you did not sign the... Is that an ordinance?
It's a resolution, Your
It's a
Honor.
resolution.
Yes, Your Honor.
The mayor doesn't sign the resolution when approved by the Sangguniang Bayan?
The mayor doesn't sign the resolution, Your Honor. Only the Vice Mayor.
Well, yung panahon namin, dumadaan sa amin eh. Anyway, Nag-issue ka ba ng travel pass kay Wang Ziyang, the incorporator of Baofu?
As I could recall, Your Honor, during the time of the pandemic, if a legitimate business owner comes to my office and asks for a travel permit in order to move out of Banban and coming to Banban because may negosyante sila, yes, probably I did, Your Honor.
You did. Why?
Your Honor, you're a businessman and then they need to travel back and forth to Fontana.
But you didn't check his background?
No, Your Honor.
Huh? Why did you not check his background? Nagbibigay ka na lang ba kahit sino ba mag-apply ng permit sa'yo? Walang due diligence?
Wala na, Your Honor, because during the time, it was pandemic already. And you know, wala na pong
Eh,
negosyo sa
katulad
bayan.
nito, big boss pala ng Pogo itong Wang Ziyang.
So it's pag-aaralan na po natin ngayon na dapat sa susunod, kailangan po, bago tayo gumawa ng mga dokumentong ganon, kailangan ma-check na po sila.
Hindi, as mayor, command responsibility mo yan.
Yes.
Mayor din ako.
Yes,
That's
sir.
my command responsibility as mayor.
Yes, sir. But the problem is, sa sobrang dami po ng kumukuha kung lahat po sila, checkan
Well, I
po
understand.
natin.
Totoo naman. Totoo naman yung sinasabi mo. But in this case, kita mo, inissuehan mo ng permit. Big boss pala ng Pogo ito. Siyempre, sa'yo babagsak ang problema. Di ba? Sa mayor, babagsak ang problema.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sa yung pagkakalam, ano mga negosyo ni Alice Go?
Ang alam
Sa
ko lang po,
Bamban.
yun lang pong piggery.
Hindi kayo naging business partner
Ay, hindi po.
kahit kailan.
Hindi po. Civil lang po ang relationship
Okay.
namin.
How did you approve to endorse the candidacy of Alice Go? Siya ba lumapit sa'yo? O ikaw
Tinanong ko,
nagkusa sa kanya na, o ikaw nang sumunod sa akin?
ay, hindi, tinanong ko po siya if she's interested to run.
Mhm.
And then after a while, yun nga, because ang criteria ko po nga for choosing a mayor, dapat economic manager po
Aha.
para malaman pong
So,
gamit.
initsapwera mo na talaga yung barangay captain na talagang tubong Bambantarlak.
Wala. Kung makikita nyo po yung video during that time, talagang linalait na po nila ako eh. Parang hindi ako naging mayor eh. So I had to do something para maproteksyon na naman yung interest ko when I ran for congressman. Kaya po,
Maproteksyon na ng interest mo.
no sir, I'm running for congressman. Pag wala ka pong kandidato sa town na
Okay.
sinasakupan mo, wala po kayong
Nung kinausap mo si Alice Go to run for mayor, what did she say right away?
sabi
Did
po
she
niya,
agree right away to run for mayor?
hindi po,
O nagpakipot ng konti?
pag-iisipan daw po niya.
O gano'n kung tagal siya nag-isip bago siya pumayag na tumakbong mayor?
30 to 60 days.
1 month to 2 months?
Opo.
Okay. Nung pumayag siya na tumakbong mayor, under your ticket, I presume, ikaw
Independent
ang
po.
dala niyang congressman. Correct?
Independent po.
Okay. Magkano kinontribute ni Alice Go sa campaign kitty mo?
Wala po.
Kinuha mo, sabi mo, businesswoman siya.
Opo.
Posibleng hindi siya nag-donate sa campaign kitty mo.
Ay, wala po. Sarili ko po.
O ikaw nagbigay kay Alice.
Ay, hindi naman po.
Ha?
Hindi po. Negosyante lang po.
O
ako
sige,
maliit.
anong pagkakaalam mo rito? Kasi I only have 3 minutes to go.
Yes,
Anong
sir.
pagkakaalam mo rito sa Alicel Aqua Farm?
Ay, wala po akong alam dyan.
Wala ka alam?
Wala po akong alam dyan.
Hindi ka na mayor nun?
Hindi na po.
Ha? Nung in-incorporate ito? Hindi ka
Wala
na mayor
po.
nun? Ha?
Wala na po.
Hindi ka na mayor?
Hindi na po yata. Hindi ko pa alam kailan po yung...
Kailan ba itong yung document sa DTI, COMSEC? Kailan ba ito?
Comsec, pakita natin ulit yung DTI. If I remember correctly, SP Pro Temp 2022, August. Pero i-check po natin.
Yeah. Kung August 2022, hindi na nga siya
Wala
mayor.
na akong mayor na po.
Sorry, SP Pro Temp. March 2022.
Oh, mayor ka pa. Mayor ka pa nun kung March.
Sa Suwal po yan eh.
Oo nga pala, I'm sorry. I stand
Pero ano,
corrected.
Bambam po tayo.
Hindi, pero wala kang kinalaman.
Wala po.
Ha?
Wala.
Hindi mo nakikita si Mayor Kalugay sa Bamban?
I was just able to meet him sa LMP one time.
Sa LMP?
Yes po.
Na magkasama sila ni Mayor Alice?
Ay, hindi po. LMP po yun. Dito po sa Marriott yun eh. Ha? Sa
Hindi,
Marriott po.
O siya, naging presidente ako ng LMP. Sa convention ng lahat ng mga presidente.
Opo.
Oh, hindi ka nagkakasama. Hindi
Hindi
ka
po.
kalugay. Pero kilala mo siya personal.
No, civil lang po.
Civil lang.
Opo.
So wala kang alam sa dalawa.
Wala po.
Sigurado ka?
Opo.